what is fluidity? Fluidity means ability to flow. This is ability to flow. This is known as actually. Now compressibility. Compressibility, that's mean compressor tendency. Compressibility, ability to compress. Okay, ability to compress, ability to get compressed. And fluidity means ability to flow, and it is ability to get compressed. Okay, polarizability, তাহলে এটা কি বলবো? ability to get polarized, ability to get polarized. Okay, clear? That's mean distortion of electron cloud. Okay, so ability to get polarized, that is actually distort the electron cloud. This is known as polarizability. How can we define polarizability? How can we define? देखो, the ease with which the electron distribution around an atom or molecule can be distorted is called polarizability. Okay, so the ease with which the electron distribution around an atom or molecule can be distorted is called polarizability. Clear? So bigger size ion, atom or molecules get easily polarized. Okay, why? Because if it is size high, then electron density can attract by the other molecule will be high, hence polarizability will be increased. So bigger the size of an atom or molecule, more is the dispersion force. Clear? Now number of electrons, more number of electrons, more number of electron, polarizability are high. Okay, that's mean more negative charge is there, then polarizability will be high. So easily molecule is polarized. Easily molecule is polarized. Clear? That's mean actually more is the attraction. So what does mean by this? This is more is the attraction, then polarizability high. And we can say more is the dispersion force. Is it okay? Now, what is this? Temperature decrease, pressure increase, then it will be liquid. So dispersion force will be more or less. Which one? More. Okay? Kinetic energy will be less. So molecule will close to each other. So dispersion force are present in all molecules. It may be polar or non-polar. Okay? It contains dispersion force. Monatomic gas, you know, dispersion force. This is non-polar molecule always. This is all non-polar molecule. This size of the molecules is increased, then it will be more dispersed. Because you know, polar molecules, all force of attraction it contains. So non-polar molecules also contains dispersion force. Okay, polar molecules always contains attraction force, and non-polar molecules contain dispersion force. This dispersion force is also some what type of polarization. Okay, polarizability. Clear? So inter-atomic force of attraction কি হবে দেখো depends on size of atom, number of electron, and temperature and pressure. If temperature low and pressure is high, then dispersion force will be high. Note that the London dispersion force interaction energy is proportional to, you know, proportional to 1 by r to the power 6. Clear? Now, the attraction between two temporary dipoles of atom is called, which one is this? Attraction force between two temporary dipoles. This is actually dispersion force because it is not permanent dipole. Okay, this is dispersion force. Intermolecular force of attraction. Intermolecular force of attraction, actually polar interaction and non-polar interaction. We already discussed about this. Dipole-dipole interaction, dipole-induced dipole, and ion-dipole interaction. Okay, and non-polar interaction is only dispersion force or London force. Okay. Water molecules, it contains intermolecular force of attraction because this is polar molecule. Okay. This is polar molecule. So it contains dipole-dipole interaction. So this is strength, and there is a hydrogen bond. So hydrogen bond exists between water molecules because it contains delta H plus and delta oxygen minus, and they can attract to each other by hydrogen bond. Okay, so this is the dipole-dipole interaction. This dipole-dipole interaction is also known as hydrogen bond for water molecules or for ammonia molecules or HF or HCl. Okay, like this. So hydrogen bond is the slightly more stronger than simple dipole-dipole force of attraction because this is the directly there is a two pole. Okay. So hydrogen bonding is the second most electronegative element is oxygen. Yes. What is the hydrogen bond? What is the definition? So a weak electrostatic force of attraction between hydrogen atom of a molecule with highly electronegative atoms such as fluorine, oxygen or nitrogen of another molecule or within the same molecule. If it is same molecule, then intramolecular within same molecule, then intramolecular, and if the different molecule, it is intermolecular force of attraction, that's the hydrogen bond. Now it is HF. If hydrogen bond is there, there will be an arrangement like this. There will be arrangement. Okay. F or HF like this. This red dotted line is hydrogen bond. Okay. This is hydrogen bond. Clear? Now for water molecules, it is tetrahedral, and this is known as hydrogen bond. Okay, there is a hydrogen bond. This is a hydrogen bond, and this is in this way they will form perfect tetrahedral for ice. Okay, for ice it will form perfect tetrahedral structure, and this is the hydrogen bonding of ammonia molecules. Okay, hydrogen delta H plus and nitrogen delta minus, they can attract to each other and can form hydrogen bond. Okay, so dispersion force affected by which one? Dispersion force affected by size of our atom or molecules, number of electron, yes, temperature and pressure is also. Okay, all of these. Okay, so dispersion force is affected by this. Now the high boiling point of water is due to why? Due to the hydrogen bond. Okay, this is due to the hydrogen bond. To break the hydrogen bond, more energy will require. For this reason, boiling point of the water is high. Okay, thank you. বুঝেছো সব? এর পরের দিন এটার উপরে কোশ্চেন করব, এন্ড এটার আরে রয়েছে। ক্লিয়ার? অরিত্রিক আছে? হয়েছে, বুঝতে পেরেছো?
হ্যাঁ
শেষে চলো টাটা। আয়ুষ
টাটা।
যা কোশ্চেন এই চ্যাপ্টারে যা কোশ্চেন থাকবে এবার দেখতে শুরু করে দাও। তোমরা এই মেন্সের কোশ্চেনগুলো দেখতে শুরু করো। কবে করবে? আমাকে কিছুই জিজ্ঞাসা করছো না।